a journey through time from primates to us. Our planet Earth has been home to life for millions of years. Over time, life has changed and adapted. This is the story of a remarkable journey, the evolution of humans. We will travel back millions of years to meet our ancestors. Our journey begins with the first primates, who lived in trees. From these early beginnings, new types of primates emerged. Monkeys diversified and spread across the globe. Then came the apes, larger and more intelligent primates. Around 7 million years ago, something incredible happened. Some apes began to walk upright on two legs. These were our earliest human ancestors. Our ancestors continued to evolve. They developed larger brains and learned to use tools. They migrated across continents, adapting to new environments. Finally, modern humans, Homo sapiens, emerged. This species, our species, went on to develop complex language, art, and technology. The journey from early primates to modern humans is a testament to the power of evolution. 65 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. But in the shadows of these giants, a new group of animals was evolving: primates. These small, furry creatures were adapted to life in the trees. They had grasping hands and feet, perfect for climbing and swinging through branches. Unlike other mammals, primates developed forward-facing eyes. This gave them better depth perception, essential for navigating the three-dimensional world of the trees. Primates also possessed relatively large brains for their body size. This allowed them to develop complex social structures and learn from their experiences. One of the earliest known primates was Purgatorius. This small mammal lived during the Paleocene epoch, shortly after the extinction of the dinosaurs. Purgatorius was not very different from a tree shrew, but it possessed some key primate characteristics, such as flexible hands and feet. Another important early primate was Plesiadapis, which lived about 55 million years ago. Plesiadapis was larger than Purgatorius and had teeth adapted for eating fruit and leaves. It's thought to be one of the first primates to evolve nails instead of claws. Life in the trees provided early primates with food and safety from predators. It also shaped their evolution, favoring traits like agility, sharp eyesight, and intelligence. These early primates were the ancestors of all monkeys, apes, and humans. As the Eocene epoch progressed, primates continued to evolve and diversify. Around 55 million years ago, a new group of primates emerged: the monkeys. Monkeys are divided into two main groups: New World monkeys and Old World monkeys. New World monkeys, found in Central and South America, have prehensile tails. These tails act as an extra limb, allowing them to grip branches and even hang upside down. Some examples of New World monkeys include spider monkeys, howler monkeys, and capuchin monkeys. Old World monkeys, found in Africa, Asia, and Europe, do not have prehensile tails. They are generally larger than New World monkeys and have more complex social structures. Baboons, macaques, and colobus monkeys are all examples of Old World monkeys. Monkeys were very successful. They spread throughout the world's tropical and subtropical regions. Their adaptations to life in the trees, such as their agile bodies and keen eyesight, allowed them to thrive in diverse environments. Section 4. Apes emerge, swinging through the trees. About 30 million years ago, a new group of primates emerged: the apes. Apes are generally larger than monkeys and have larger brains relative to their body size. They also lack tails, which allows for greater flexibility in their upper bodies. This is particularly important for their mode of locomotion, brachiation. Brachiation is a form of arboreal locomotion in which apes swing from branch to branch using their arms. This requires incredible strength and coordination. Some of the earliest apes, like Egyptopithecus, lived in Africa. Egyptopithecus was about the size of a modern gibbon and had a diet of fruits and leaves. It is thought to be an ancestor of both Old World monkeys and apes. Another important early ape was Proconsul, which lived in Africa between 23 and 14 million years ago. Proconsul was larger than Egyptopithecus and had a more ape-like skull. It is still debated whether Proconsul was a true brachiator, but it certainly possessed many adaptations for life in the trees. Section 5. Walking tall, the dawn of early humans. The evolution of apes continued for millions of years, but around 7 million years ago something truly remarkable happened. The lineage that would eventually lead to humans diverged from the other apes. This split is marked by the appearance of a new type of primate early humans, or hominins. Hominins developed a unique way of moving, bipedalism or walking upright on two legs. This was a major evolutionary shift, freeing their hands to use tools and carry objects. The reasons for the evolution of bipedalism are still debated. Some scientists believe that it evolved as an adaptation to life on the savanna. Walking upright would have allowed early hominins to see over tall grasses and spot predators. Others believe that bipedalism evolved in a more forested environment. Whatever the reason, bipedalism was a key factor in the evolution of humans. Section 6. Early humans on the move, exploring new lands. One of the earliest known hominins is Sahelanthropus chadensis, which lived in Central Africa around 7 million years ago. Sahelanthropus had a small braincase and a relatively flat face. Another important early hominin is Ardipithecus ramidus, which lived in Eastern Africa around 4.4 million years ago. Ardipithecus was bipedal, but still retained some adaptations for climbing trees. As early humans evolved, they began to migrate out of Africa. One of the first hominins to leave Africa was Homo erectus, which appeared around 1.9 million years ago. Homo erectus was taller and more intelligent than earlier hominins. It had a larger brain and was the first hominin to use fire. Homo erectus migrated out of Africa and into Asia and Europe. Section 7. Modern humans, a story of innovation and culture. The evolution of humans continued, leading to the emergence of our own species, Homo sapiens, around 300,000 years ago. Homo sapiens had a larger brain than any previous hominin and was capable of complex thought and language. We developed sophisticated tools, created art, and established complex social structures. Homo sapiens spread across the globe, eventually colonizing every continent except Antarctica. As our species evolved, we developed new technologies and cultural practices. We learned to farm, build cities, and create complex societies. The story of Homo sapiens is one of innovation, creativity, and adaptation. We're the inheritors of a long and fascinating evolutionary journey, one that began millions of years ago with the first primates. Our journey from those early primates to modern humans is a testament to the power of evolution. It is a story that continues to unfold today as we continue to adapt and change.